Hey everyone, welcome back to Drew Drives. Today, let's go for a drive in this 2022 Volvo XC90 T8 Recharge Polestar engineered. So this has a 4-cylinder plug-in hybrid, has 312 horsepower. This one's pretty nice. You got the Bowers & Wilkins sound system, really nice speaker grills. Nice legroom in the middle, and you have heated seats as well, panoramic sunroof. You have the normal screen that you have in Volvos. You got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto both in this car. Here's your gauge cluster. One thing about Volvo gauge clusters is that they're insanely laggy. That's something that I've noticed. Very, very laggy. And the screen gets laggy too. And then one thing also is kind of weird. Whenever a gear shifter is like this, right, in most cars when you pull back it goes straight to drive, not to neutral. But in this car you have to go through one by one, which is really annoying. Like when you're trying to make a quick move, you're in reverse, you're trying to go to drive, you can't just push it back, it'll go to neutral and the car will just roll. So if you want to go to reverse, you have to go like that, 2 steps. It's just unnecessary because you're not going to be in neutral that often, you know what I mean? You have a wireless charging tray right there, really tiny. I wish that was a little bit bigger. And then, but I've always liked these Volvo starters. I think it's cool. It's like a switch. But let's go. Volvos are pretty nice cars. Obviously, they're known for their safety. And they're luxurious and comfortable. I mean, they're stylish for sure. They've just never been my style because they're not performance oriented. Even the Polestar engineered cars are not, you know. I mean, this thing is not too fast or anything. It's just a hybrid. It's faster than a normal XC90, that's for sure. But yeah. And one thing I wish Volvos don't have shift paddles, which sucks. Because even if you get a Polestar engineered wagon, V60 wagon, which I really like, you don't have shift paddles, even though it's a performance oriented car. So it's kind of weird. I mean, the pickup in this thing, it glides, which is nice. It glides along the road. I mean, it's a luxurious SUV, and that hybrid definitely helps out with that. You have a head-up display as well. But it is very nice and quiet in here. And yeah, the seats, the support is nice for your thighs. You have nice lumbar and lateral support. But I do know that one thing about Volvo buyers, is that it's like a very niche brand for sure. There's a very specific amount of clientele for this brand. And you know, they're very loyal to the brand. Like a lot of Volvo buyers only buy Volvos, which is something I'm seeing. And these cars, a lot of customers lease Volvos and then switch out of them because Volvo has really interesting lease specials and incentivized specials like that. So people switch out of them pretty often. Let's do a quick walk around on this car. So that's where you can plug in your charger, because it's a plug-in hybrid. And there's your gas door. But yeah, it's a good-looking SUV. And you see the T8 Recharge all-wheel drive Polestar engineered badge on the back. There's your charger. You want to plug this thing in. Yep. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, please consider subscribing if you enjoyed, and I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out.